Hey everybody, it's Andrew Rink with Remax in Regina. I've got Marc Kelly here with me from Kanuka Thuringer. He's a lawyer in Regina, and we're going to talk about title insurance. Because if you've purchased a house in the last little bit, you've probably had the discussion with your lawyer in reference to purchasing title insurance. So Marc's going to discuss with you what the importance of title insurance is and what it actually represents. So Marc, what is title insurance?
As you can imagine, title insurance is probably the most boring concept that we bring to the table. Insurance products are a pain to discuss, but what it is it's an insurance product that helps insure against title risks, which is a terrible definition. But what it does is things that we can't either search for or that can affect your title going forward. So like liens that might register against the property, you might have a problem with zoning or something like an open permit in your property that hasn't been resolved, fraud protection, all those sorts of things can be covered by title insurance.
So what are the costs involved with purchasing title insurance?
Well, the costs vary from each of the providers. There's 3 or 4 big providers that provide title insurance. For a property that's under $500,000 for the providers that we use, there's 2 portions of the policy. There's a policy for the lender, for whoever the mortgage company is that you're using, and a policy for the homeowner. And usually for a property under $150,000, the homeowner is an extra $50 on top of the lender is $150, so about $200 in total.
So let's say there is an issue, someone purchases title insurance, there's an issue with the property, whatever that may be, and what's the process that individual has to go through in order to get the title insurance in place to help them out in their situation of need?
So once there's a problem identified, it's like any other insurance claim. So you would contact the insurance provider, you'd make a claim, they have their own claim submission process. Usually they'll want to do some form of investigation with it. For example, I had one recently where there was a lien that popped up on the title after we had closed the transaction, and we went and submitted details about that lien. We submitted copies of the title to the provider. They hired a lawyer to manage the problem. The lawyer managed to get the liens off the title with the instruction of the title insurer, and after that they reported back to everybody to make sure to indicate that everything was fine.
So one last question I have for you, Marc. What doesn't title insurance cover?
So the important thing to note about title insurance is that it's not intended to be a home warranty product. So you're not purchasing title insurance because you want to make sure that your foundation is strong or that your roof isn't going to leak or that the major mechanical systems in your property work on a go-forward basis. What you're buying it for is title risks. So don't think that if you have one of those problems after the fact that sort of thing is going to be covered by title insurance.
Okay, so great information from Marc here at Kanuka Thuringer. There's a lot of information that goes with title insurance, so we're gonna have a link available to you to click on that you can find out more information about what title insurance covers. And the important thing to remember is, I think title insurance is a great product to purchase for your home. It's anywhere from $150 to $200. I've always got it when I've purchased property, so very important. So if you do have more information, you can click on that link and check it out through there, or you can contact Marc directly, or you can contact myself at andrewrink.com. Thanks again, take care.